Caillou, how dare you pull the fire alarm at school? That's it, you are.
No, stop right there.
Who did the thing are you?
My name is Leni Loud, and I am scientific artist, so which one of you, pick your child abuse when it's supposed to be?
I do, Leni. I'm so glad if you miss me. Now what should I do? I know, Leni. I'm going to press the button to explode the house when everyone is getting shocked. If you count to 3, just push the button, understood?
Great idea, Caillou. Let's push the button. If you throw the bomb, they've got 3 more explosions to blow, and 1 more explosion and destroyed the house. It is over. Got it?
Yes, Lori and Leni. Let's push the button.
Did you just push the button? Caillou, you better not push the button. If you don't want to push the button, that's 3 explosions be able to blow, and 1 more explosion in the house. It is over. He's lying on science number 1 for the rest of your life. And that means no more report cards for the elementary school. Now go to sleep in the bedroom at once.
Oh no you don't.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No! No!
You're the best superhero champion, but there'll be rain of gold for the trophy. So I'm gonna ask for Martha. Who is that?
Thank you, my lady. It has been a long time during the day with the support of all my special friends that made this possible. But you know I gave everything to the idols and teammates. You can take them, or without them with our achievements. But this could never happen, so that's all for now. My grounding time's over. It's yours. It's just beginning of the end. I'll see you soon.